like her now. Look,
look, Nana, look.
Oh my goodness.
Let's go take a picture with him.
Okay, come on.
Okay, let's go. He's gonna scare us. She's gonna scare us. Ooh, 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 ooh. He scared me. He scared me.
That's just perfect.
Can you take this?
Oh, he scared me.
Did he look at you? Be careful, lady.
Okay. What's that?
Water.
What? Okay. Let's take it out.
Wow. He's giant.
Ah! He scared me.
Are you okay?
Yes. Ah! He scared me.
Watch where you're walking.
It has the desired effect. It has the effect that you desire. Definitely.
The spider?
Yeah. For this one,
That
perfect.
spike scared me.
It scares
Say
you?
trick or treat.
It's just pretend. It's just pretend. It's like a big balloon. Like a big balloon.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
See the pumpkins?
Look at all the decorations.
Skeleton?
Yeah? Hey,
Scarecrow?
yeah. And look at that skeleton. It's gonna take a video with
Be
scary.
careful, be careful.
It's gonna get.
Be careful.
Okay, let me see.
You gonna touch him?
You gonna touch him?
Touch him.
No.
Come on, you can touch him. Watch, like
Touch
this.
him. Okay.
Whoa!
You want to touch him?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh!
I can't turn over.
My turn? Okay, let me see.
Alright, Spike. Maybe touch him.
Oh!
Okay, you guys are silly.
Okay, let's go.
Say bye to the spider.
Bye, spider. Let's go get the more candies. Let's go get
She's doing all right now.
Let's get some more candies. Let's get some more candies.
Okay. Nana's got a minute left of videoing.
Yeah. Hey, Papa,
Let's
look at.
see. The yellow house is open for business. That's for sure. Oh. We came too early, huh? But probably scared her. You want to go to the yellow house, or you
Yeah,
want to do
let's
a
go to
loop
the
and
yellow
then
house.
hit the yellow house last?
Whatever. Doesn't look very active up there. And who knows about Catherine? Come on, Ava. Look, the yellow house will probably work. They got their lights on.
You don't want to do the loop?
Go ahead.
Okay, come on.